Guys, you're all welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I went from this to this. I'm clearly feeling myself. So I achieved this jumbo twist using Sapphire hair I got from Ebano, and this is what it looks like outside the pack. So yeah, I'm just going to demonstrate how I achieved the crochet method, or rather achieved the twist using the crochet method. So I'm using 2 of braid hair for each twist, and I'm just taking it under my braids, and then fixing the ends of the braid hair into the crochet pin and gently pulling it under the braids. And please make sure that your crochet pin closes before you pull it, else you'll be pulling your hair, which defeats the purpose of a protective style. So I'm just making sure that the braids are pulled in equally, and I'm going to go ahead to wrap a part of the hair around my own mini braids just to make it look a bit more discreet and cover it. So yeah, and just go ahead and twist. So while twisting, I made sure to tuck my hair continuously, if you can see, just to avoid it showing. And yeah, and that's it. So I twist till the end. I'm going to show the process one more time. So 2 of the braid hair, and then I'm taking the ends, which is the tiniest parts, and putting it into my crochet pin, once again making sure that the pin closes before pulling it under my mini braids. And then I'm just going to make sure it's pulled equally so that I don't have to pull twist at the end, and then twist while making sure that I wrap in my mini braids as much as I can. See, I'm struggling here a bit. Oh, yeah. Please know how tired I look. This was around I think 1 a.m. but I was just determined to, finish up with the hair. So yeah, I know I look tired. So here I have the finished look, but then I went ahead to wrap the ends of each twist. I don't know how best to explain it, but you take the twist round, you take the end of the twist round your finger, and then you just wrap it around the end gently. I don't know if that I explained that well, but I'll try again. so, you take the end of your twist, wrap it around the end of your finger, and then just twist it to the end. And I'm not doing a good job, but you can see what I'm doing here. And then I went ahead to add some accessories on my hair, just to zhuzh up the look, you know. At this point, I was already clearly feeling myself. So doing this at 1 a.m. did not stop me from getting a little video, or should I say vein session. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice, but it came out nice and I like it. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. So yeah, until the next video, bye guys.